How can thousands of young entrepreneurs go from zero to making millions of dollars online? Despite what you may think, it's not because they're super smart or anything like that. So, what's the secret? They all took advantage of a simple idea. They built a business that does not rely on their time. Once it was built, their business started making money for them and they continued scaling their success. And as of 2024, Shopify dropshipping is the best business model that requires no upfront investment. You just need to find the right product to sell. But I heard dropshipping is dead. Is it though? Nope. How do I know? Because I personally see millions of dropship products being sold every day on our platform. You see, after dropshipping for 7 years, I joined AutoDS, a software that over 85,000 dropshippers use to integrate with their suppliers and sell their products. This means we know exactly what stores are doing well and which products are being sold. So trust me, dropshipping is not dead. So in this video, you're gonna learn everything there is to know on how to dropship profitably in 2024 so that you can make your first $10,000 selling online and scale it from there. And if you're wondering, why am I doing all this for free? It's because I know that if you're gonna make money from this, you're more likely to use AutoDS, and the more money you make, the more we make. It's a win-win formula that simply works. So let's start with the first step of making your first 10K, finding a winning product to